Good morning, you guys. I hope everyone is having a super blessed day. Honey, I know this closet is since it got a makeover. This is the horrible mess that we are tackling today. Y'all, I promise that at one point this closet was on point, but you know we all have those times where you like shove one thing in and then the next thing you know it looks like you don't care about life. Well, let's help this closet get cute again. First things first, let's just start off by taking everything that's in here and pulling it out. As I'm pulling stuff out, I am also going to go in and just take a damp rag and wipe down the shelves. Sorting through all of this mess is definitely my least favorite part, but I am going to make a pile for keep, a pile for donate, and a pile for trash, as well as making sure everything is folded along the way. The next trick I show Lexi is going to be how to fold clothes. So in my last video, I did a decor and organization haul to let you guys know where I got all these baskets from. If you are interested in that, it will be in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. Okay, so y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to you and tell you that I know how to fold fitted sheets good, because I am absolutely terrible at it. Now my mom on the other end, she is like the folded sheet queen. She can make it look like you have no idea which sheet is which. So shout out to you, Mom. I'm just going in now and pulling out the rest of the stuff. Some of the stuff doesn't even go in here. Y'all, my hair was giving me some trouble this day. I need to bring my curls back. So now it's time to start adding stuff back to the closet. So for the washcloths, I'm just going to fold them up really neatly and stick them in this organizer. I'm going to do the same with the hand towels, and I do have a load of laundry in the washing machine, so once that is complete, then I will just add the washcloths to the middle section. You never know when you're going to need an old towel, so I do like to keep some of those on hand. If you remember in my haul video, which is in the description box, if you have not seen it yet, check it out. I got this from HomeGoods for $3.99, and I'm just going to be using a command strip to stick this in the closet because these came with suction cups, but they are very flimsy and they don't work very well, especially on textured things. So I am just going to be using some command strips. Now I'm going to add one more command strip to the wall, and this one is to hang my Swiffer duster. So in this basket, I just keep some extra regular blankets as well as a heated blanket. This shelf holds the extra sets of sheets, and beside are the pillowcases. Putting these in a basket just gives you a lot more room and it looks a lot neater. So the basket to the left just holds some of my upstairs candles. If you are following me on Instagram, then you already know that I am obsessed with Chesapeake Bay candles. I currently have Summer Breeze and Caramel Latte up here, and I also have some Fabric Febreze for all of the furniture upstairs. I do keep most of the cleaning products under the sinks in each of the bathrooms, but this closet just holds like some overflow things such as like extra tissues, light bulbs, stuff like that, and of course my upstairs Swiffer duster. So these are not all of the towels and washcloths that I have for guests, but these are specifically for guests. The ones that we have for our room are kept in the closet in our master bedroom. Up top, I just put the old towels I keep on hand since I don't need immediate access to them, and an old blanket from back in the day. I absolutely am in love with the way that this turned out, and if you like it, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And you know what? I'm going to make it easy. Click that picture right there if you are not already subscribed. And oh look, there's another video. Go on and watch that video. I'll see you guys in the next one.